In this video I'll be making a couple of upgrades to the 390. I'll be fitting a DECAT pipe along with the FuelX Pro Plus unit just to see how it improves the bike. The install wasn't completely straightforward for me though. I did run into some clearance issues with the B&B bash plate. But after a bit of trial and error, I found a way to make everything work together properly.
Hello there.
Once the mods were sorted, it was time to test it out. First is a quick road test, and then, what better way than a 200km scenic mountain loop with a few mates. Mark was out on his ES700, Brett brought the Desert X, and Marty on the 450 MT. We hit some easy roads, and some not so easy. If you're thinking of trying the DECAT and the Pro Plus unit yourself, SRC Motorcycles is selling them both as a kit. I'll leave a link in the description with a discount code to get 10% off. Does not disappoint. Stick around for my thoughts on how the 390 feels after the upgrades, and the tricks to making it fit with the B&B bash plate. Off this tiny little nibble off here.
So this is the first ride with the DECAT pipe from SRC and the FuelX Pro Plus unit. So at the moment, I'm in mode 7. And it's a bit louder. I think there might be a little bit more down low and a little bit more exhaust noise. Yeah, I reckon it's got a bit more go. I think it kicks in a bit sooner. So I've just gone 3,500. I think there's a bit more torque down low.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out and on. Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. There's that big section, mate.
You'll know it when you get there.
I'll have a quick piss before I get there then.
I think it curves around. It's where all the cars stop, and then it's like a bit rough coming down. I think they might have fixed some of it up. I'm pretty sure this is the start of it. The dodgy section.
There's a big rock and steep going down.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure.
Before, have you? No.
But I'm pretty sure this was it. So maybe they filled it in a bit. That was it.
What?
They filled it all in.
Oh, did they? Oh, that's a bad bit.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
That's not disappointing.
Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Saw the sun in the distance, looked like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust roll to join.
Too easy.
You can't tell my woman I'm
The big dirt bike crawling up there. They probably filled it in. I'll throw the drone up. Yeah, may as well. Yeah. Maybe I'll regret going that way.
It stopped back there.
That's probably when I went up and went like this, and then went back here.
I went up there and was on the shoulder.
Can see it somewhere. There it is. It's been through a waterfall, it'll be right. It's going strong. Look at that. She's back in action. I went up here, nearly did a flip, and I think it freaked out then. Marty's come through and hit it with his shoulder. Whew, she's a bit dusty. I wasn't wrong about this campsite. Looks like peak hour down there. All right. Now I know why I don't come on the weekend.
I thought, yeah, I drove here. I couldn't stop. It was in the middle of the... Hey, lads. There you go. How are you?
Dad has the same kit to install on his bike, so we'll be going through this whole process all over again. If you have any questions, leave them below and I'll try and help out if I can. However, after Dad's recent stunt work in the river, he was resting his ribs for a bit longer. My next video will be a 2-day trip with Aussie Biker Hike. That'll be a good chance to give the DECAT and Pro Plus a good workout. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to see how Dad and I go with our 390 builds, or if you simply enjoy motorbikes and nature. A huge shout out to PowerTronics and SSS Motorcycles for collaborating on this one. It's been a fun little project.